all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll start transformation of sentences. In the last class we discussed affirmative to negative and assertive to interrogative. Today we'll discuss about assertive to imperative sentences. The first sentence is you should not run in the sun. This is an assertive sentence. If we turn it into imperative sentence, then we write it, do not run in the sun. This is an assertive sentence. We will turn it into imperative sentence. Look at this, do not run in the sun. Here the subject you is silent. In the affirmative sentence we don't use subject. We only write just like this, do not run in the sun, because it is this is a negative sentence. So we use do not run in the sun. The second one is you must obey your parents. If we turn it into imperative, we write only obey your parents. There is another sentence, I request you to do this. If this type of sentence in the affirmative sentence, then I request you to do this. This is an assertive sentence. When we turn it into imperative sentence, we will write please do it. If there is first person or third person in an assertive sentence, then we use let in an imperative sentence. Look at the example, I must go now. We write let me go now when we turn it into imperative sentence. He should do the work. The imperative form of this sentence is let him do the work. Let him do the work. To follow these rules, you can turn it into imperative to assertive. Now we turn it into imperative to assertive. The first one is let us do the sum. This is an imperative sentence. We turn it into an assertive sentence. Look at this, we do the job. The sentence is let us do the job. We turned it into assertive. The answer will be we do the job. The second one, please do the sum. The answer will be you are requested to do the sum. So you can easily turn from assertive to imperative and also imperative to assertive by following these rules. Now we go to assertive to exclamatory sentences. This is an assertive sentence, I wish I were a queen. So we turn it into an exclamatory sentence. If we turn it into an exclamatory sentence, we use if. The sentence is I wish I were a queen. If we turn it into an exclamatory sentence, we use if. If I were a queen, and we use an exclamation sign. The second one is it is a very nice dress. The sentence is it is a very nice dress. It is a very nice dress. Then when we turn it into an exclamatory sentence, we use what? What a nice dress it is, and we use an exclamation sign after completing the sentence. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. When we turn it into an exclamatory sentence, we use because it is a matter of joy. So we use hooray. When we find it is a matter of joy in an assertive sentence, then we use the word hooray to show our sudden feelings. This is an exclamatory words. Okay, and also again we see that it is a matter of sorrow. The sentence is it is a matter of sorrow that he is no more. So we use the word alas to express our sudden shocking feelings. Alas, he is no more. The word is also an exclamatory word. So, student, if we want to turn it from assertive to exclamatory, then we follow this type of these rules to turn the sentences into from assertive to exclamatory. And we again also turn the sentences from exclamatory to assertive by following these rules. What will be the answer if I were a queen? The answer will be I wish I were a queen. This is the vice versa. I wish I were a queen. This is the exclamatory sentence and I turn it into an assertive sentence. Just like this. What a nice dress it is. If I want to turn it into an assertive, I will write it is a very nice dress. Hooray, we have won the match. This word shows our sudden feelings of joy. So, when we turn it into an assertive sentence, we write it is a matter of joy that we have won the match. So, now students, if you concentrate on this, you can easily turn it from exclamatory to assertive and assertive to exclamatory and also assertive to imperative and imperative to assertive if you will be attentive in this session. Now, I will give you some home task. Okay, this is your home task. I hope you will practice it at home, and after opening your school, you will show this home task to your teacher and he will check this. Or if you want to again see this lesson, you will go to the website Kishore Batayan. Here you will find the solution. You can ask or you can write any comments here. Okay, I hope you will enjoy the topic.